You walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a unboxing and on-feet look of the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, man. But before we get off into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG. Trying to grow that platform as well. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Get me in the algorithm. Do all those great things. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as I lace up these sneakers, these did release today. It is August, 24th, Kobe Day. And I don't even want to talk about the Kobe debacle that happened today. But for the most part, if you did some type of footwork for these things, you were able to cop them, to be honest with you. These were not a hard pickup. Now, a lot of people are hit or miss when it comes to these things. They're like, oh, I kind of like them. I don't like them. I do like them. In my opinion, I think this is going to be a sneaker that definitely is going to gain some value in, especially when you talk about a Jordan 4, especially in this type of color blocking. The red Thunder and the OG Thunder, the yellow Thunder, did very well. So you can only imagine that these are going to do probably the same. So starting out with the exterior of the sneaker, you have a predominantly black upper with the black Cajun with the white behind it. They pretty much switched out everything from the yellow and the red Thunders and just made it white. The material, as you guys can see, is not too bad. I mean, you got a little stroke motion in there and stuff like that. I don't see any glue marks or anything on this one. On the toe box, as you guys can see right here, like I said, just predominantly black. You have your white Jumpman logo with the flight right there. Not bad material on the tongue. Feel pretty good. On the inner side of the sneaker, it's got the exact same thing as all the other fours. These do fit as far as sizing. In my opinion, these do fit a little bit more snugger than the other pair, so a little tighter. You can get away with true to size 11.5 and they fit fine. I'm okay with them. But I will say going up half size probably wouldn't be too bad. They do not have the same comfort, in my opinion, as I'm moving around these things, as the SB4s, in the military blue 4s, in the reimagined bread 4s, stuff like that. I just feel like that they didn't go the same route. So, but definitely not a bad sneaker. As we look at the back end of them, they do have that Jumpman logo back there, as you guys can see right there. And on the bottom, you have that Panda, Oreo type vibes or whatever. Really clean sneaker. I've seen some people swap out the laces, put white in them. I feel like this is the type of sneaker that you can put white, blue, black, whatever you want to in them, and they will actually go with it because they are predominantly black and white. This shoe will restock. Resale would go up on it, but this shoe would definitely restock. And I think people are going to go crazy for these things, and you're going to see these shoes everywhere, man. This is definitely going to be the new Panda. So let me know down in the comment section if you was able to get your hands on them, if you felt like you really liked them. A lot of people were saying that they weren't messing with them. So let me know if you kept the same energy, you know what I'm saying? Or let me know that you actually go ahead and cop these things for sure, man. But that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you guys tapping in for the Air Jordan 4 Pandas. That's right, I said it, man. The Air Jordan 4 Pandas, man. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about is just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Hey, if nobody's told you I love you, God loves you, and whatever it is that you're going through, man, give it to him in prayer, and I promise you he's going to take care of it. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. We gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got